In tropical Mexico stands CASA O, a house that represents a serene dialogue between humans, architecture, and nature. The design not only presents a modern aesthetic but also blends with the surrounding climate, vegetation, and landscape. From the exterior, the house features simple yet strong geometric shapes. Local materials such as stone, concrete, and wood are used to enhance the natural feel while ensuring environmental sustainability. The decision to use local materials also reduces the carbon footprint from transporting building materials. The house utilizes the building's orientation and natural openings to regulate cross-ventilation. This allows residents to experience natural coolness without relying excessively on artificial cooling. Sunlight gently enters through large windows and louvers, creating a warm atmosphere while reducing electricity consumption during the day. In the living room, stacked cabinets cover almost every wall. However, these are more than just decorative elements. They were purposefully designed to store and display a collection of scientific books. The wall-mounted cabinets are also efficient, saving space while utilizing vertical space. This aligns with the principles of sustainable architecture, where every corner of the house has a clear function without sacrificing aesthetics. In addition to a family room with a mini library, CASA O also features a small bar designed to be a gathering point for family and friends. With its proximity to other social areas, the bar is an ideal place for conversation, celebrating small moments, or simply unwinding after a long day. The bar also adds a layer of functionality to the home, teaching that comfort and togetherness can be built through simple details. The master bedroom is located upstairs, a position that offers both privacy and a privileged view. From this space, residents can enjoy complete openness to the backyard, where shady trees create a calming natural backdrop. The design is simple yet warm, with large glass walls that let in soft morning light while providing a constant view of the greenery. The presence of vegetation not only enhances beauty but also helps create fresh air and a relaxing atmosphere that is hard to match. CASA O is an example of how today's home doesn't have to rely entirely on technology. With its smart design, use of local materials, and understanding of the tropical climate, this home is an inspiration for anyone who wants to live more sustainably while still enjoying a modern aesthetic.